Beakers are incredibly versatile pieces of lab glassware. They're cylindrical in shape and come in various sizes. While they can be used to hold liquids, they're not the best choice for precise measurements. Instead, beakers are your go-to for mixing solutions, heating liquids, and general storage in the lab.
Erlenmeyer flasks are a staple in the chemistry lab. You'll recognize them by their distinctive conical shape and narrow neck. This design makes them excellent for several purposes. The wide base provides stability, while the narrow neck allows for easy swirling of liquids without spilling. It also makes it easy to add a stopper or cover to prevent evaporation or contamination. Erlenmeyer flasks are commonly used for mixing solutions, heating liquids, and performing titrations, where you need to add liquids gradually.
Pipettes are essential tools in any lab. These glass tubes are used to accurately measure and transfer small volumes of liquid. Different types exist, but they all allow scientists to work with precision when handling liquids in experiments. A watch glass is a concave piece of laboratory glassware, typically made of glass. It has a variety of uses, including evaporating liquids, holding solids while they are being weighed, heating small amounts of substances, and as a cover for a beaker. Its convex shape makes it ideal for these applications. Burettes are specialized pieces of glassware designed to deliver very precise volumes of liquid. This makes them essential for titrations, where you need to add a reagent drop by drop to a solution until a reaction is complete. A burette is a long, narrow tube with a stopcock at the bottom for controlling the flow of the liquid. Markings along the tube indicate the volume dispensed.
Filter funnels are laboratory glassware used to hold filter paper. Their purpose is to help separate solid particles from a liquid, allowing the liquid to pass through while the solid remains on the filter paper.
Test tubes are cylindrical vessels used in the laboratory to hold and mix small amounts of substances. They're a very common and basic piece of lab equipment. Petri dishes are shallow, cylindrical vessels used in the laboratory to culture cells. These dishes provide a sterile environment for cell growth, allowing scientists to study microorganisms and other biological samples. Graduated cylinders are used in the lab to measure a specific volume of liquid. They come in various sizes and have markings along the side to indicate the volume. Desiccators are sealed containers used in a laboratory setting. They contain a desiccant, a substance that absorbs moisture, and are used to remove moisture from samples and protect them from humidity. Condensers are used in the laboratory to cool hot vapors and turn them back into a liquid. This process, called condensation, is essential in distillation, where substances are separated based on their boiling points. Enjoyed the video? Want to stay up to date with the latest GMP insights and guidance? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons more helpful content coming your way. Hit that subscribe button and join the GMP Guide community.